Rock, Rochester. Thank you guys for coming out tonight and supporting this great event. We would like to open with a Frank Zappa tune. It's about slime that oozes out from the video. And perverted, I am obsessed and deranged. I have existed for years, but very little has changed. I'm the tool of the government and industry too, for I am destined to rule and regulate you. Make you vile and pernicious, but you can't look away. I make you think I'm delicious with the stuff that I say. I'm the best you can get. Have you guessed me yet? I'm the slime oozing out from your TV set. You will pay me while I hate you. Hate the power which I feed you until the day that we don't need you. Don't go for help, no one will heed you. Your mind is totally controlled. It has been stuffed into my mold. You will do as you are told until the rights to